Hi guys, have you been a victim of the Equifax data breach? If so, you might literally be able to remove everything from your credit report. Guys, I have been helping thousands of people remove literally everything from their credit report in less than 14 days. So in today's video, guys, I'm going to explain the full process. I'm going to explain how to freeze your LexisNexis. I'm going to explain how to formulate your dispute letter. I'm going to explain how to file a complaint with the FTC. I'm going to explain how to actually file the dispute with Experian. Guys, today's video, I'm going to explain step by step on how you can literally remove everything using the Equifax data breach to remove everything from your credit report. Guys, stay tuned. Welcome back to the channel, guys. If you're new to the channel, I'm Credit Coach Q, and I create the first cloud-based software that allows you to put your credit repair experience into your own hands. If you're new to the channel, I'm super excited because I have a banger. Today's video, we're going to talk about how you can use the Equifax data breach to remove literally everything from your credit report. But before we get into the video, guys, please like and subscribe to the channel. It allows YouTube to push this content to a wider audience and allows us to leave the lights on. Guys, please like, subscribe to the channel. If you have anything derogatory in your credit report, I mean anything negative, charge-offs, late payments, bankruptcies, medical bills, guys, you name it, please go over to creditapprove.com. It's the website and the software that I was telling you about that allows you to put the full experience to your own hands. Guys, people are removing thousands of dollars worth of debt by themselves. They are no longer using credit repair companies. They are putting this information and this experience into their own hands and appreciating on a deeper level. Guys, please go to creditapprove.com, check out the software and start removing these items, guys, if you have anything derogatory on your credit report. Now let's dive straight into the meat and potatoes of this video. Guys, I just released the video and it's been doing very well. A lot of people has been responding. I asked you guys to comment if you wanted me to give you a breakdown on how to dispute with the credit bureaus online. So today I'm going to do just that. I'm going to give you a full breakdown. Like I said, I'm going to give you a breakdown on LexisNexis. I'm going to give you a breakdown on how to use the MCA, the My Credit Approve system. I'm going to give you how to file a dispute with the identitytheft.gov, and I'm going to give you the breakdown for Experian dispute online. So let's dive straight in. So the first thing you have to do, first and foremost, is freeze the title tails. You want to freeze everyone that's communicating your information with the credit bureau. So the credit bureaus don't have your information inside of their institutions. Normally they outsource your information. So and the way they do that is they use third-party bureaus like LexisNexis, Innovis, and SageStream to basically verify everything that they're housing. So if your account number for your debt with AT&T is 12345, they're going to call LexisNexis and see if it's 12345 or 12346. If it's 12345, they're going to send you back a letter of verification, basically verifying that the debt is yours. We want to cut that off. We want to stop all of that communication. We want to stop their verification channels, so they will have to do a little bit more due diligence, which ultimately spend more time on your file. So they only have 30 to 45 days to come up with a method of verification or a proper investigation on your dispute. That's not a lot of time, guys, and they basically, like I said, outsource that time by communicating with third-party bureaus and making sure that they are matching the right information. Now, first thing you want to do is cut that off, and you want to go to LexisNexis Freeze on Google.com. They're going to lead you to the website where you're going to be able to create a consumer portal, and you're going to be able to submit a request to freeze everything, guys. You're going to put your information in, and then you're going to scroll down and submit the request. Now, once you do that, your communication is going to be chopped and screwed when it comes to them being able to pull it for verification purposes. Now, this is not the only third-party credit bureau. They have Innovis, SageStream, and LexisNexis. So I advise you guys to look into the other third-party bureaus and do the same thing that you're doing here. Now, once you have frozen all of your accounts and the verification method has been closed off, the next step is to formulate your dispute letters with the affidavit of facts. Now, the affidavit of facts is going to be a real legal document that's going to give you everything needed to get everything removed. Now, obviously, from what I've been researching, these credit bureaus are literally scared of this affidavit of facts, and I'm going to explain that a little later. So the first thing you're going to do after you have frozen the accounts is go to the mycreditapprove.com, and you're going to basically stop all of you're going to start your dispute process. So you're going to go to mycreditapprove.com, and then once you import all of your negative items or import your credit report, your screen is going to look like this. It's going to show you all the negative items. It's going to give you a list of everything negative that you want that's on your credit report, and right here is where you're going to figure out where you want to dispute, whether you want to dispute Fed loan or whether you want to dispute Synchrony Bank. You want to make a choice right now. For verification, no, for example purposes, we're going to dispute with World Finance Corporation. We're going to say this is identity theft, and then we're going to create the letter, right? In your case, you're going to create a dispute reason for each individual negative item that you're planning on disputing. So if you have 10, then you're going to go section by section by section and pick each individual dispute reason that's going to correlate with your dispute. Now, once you go there, like I said, you're going to click to next, and then you're going to go to round 2. Round 2 is going to give you all of the letters accessibility that the MyCreditApproved system has. You're going to type in affidavit, you can just put AFF, affidavit of facts is going to come straight in, and then you're going to figure out and click which dispute negative item that you're going to dispute. Like I said, for example purposes, we're going to dispute World Finance Corporation only. We're going to scroll down, and then we're going to click next. Now, once we click next, the affidavit of facts is going to show up. Now, as you can see, guys, this is a real legal document, and that is because we are using real legal jargon to actually get this debt removed. That's because millions of people was affected by these data breaches, and you are well within your rights to basically use this affidavit of facts to actually get the item removed. Now, as you can see, everything's automatically populated. Your name, obviously, this is a demo, so it's going to say demo, and the defendant is Equifax. Right here is going to say Experian, and right here is going to say TransUnion. So as you can see, it's going to change depending on the bureau that you're disputing. All your information is already populated. Everything's already correlated the way we need it to be. So guys, all you have to do here is print this out. You want to scroll down, and once you get to this section right here, guys, you are going to sign and get this notarized. The notary is the bread and butter. You have to follow these steps step by step, guys, because if you miss one, don't jump in the comments or DM me saying that it didn't work, because you are not following the steps precisely. You're going to scroll down, and then you're going to get to, like I said, this section, and it's going to ask for you to go to the notary and get it notarized. Once you get it notarized, you're going to attach your driver's license and the other supporting documents as well. Now, once you have this, you're going to print this out and you're going to save it. And the reason you're going to save it is because we're going to use this document on multiple other platforms. Let me explain. So after you have this, you have it saved. We're going to start the identitytheft.gov claim. Now, once you go here, you want to go to identitytheft.gov. It's going to ask you to start. Once you start, you're going to say that my information was exposed by a data breach. Whatever data breach that it was exposed, in this case it's Equifax. Yes, my information was exposed. Right here, you're going to populate the check mark that best suits you. In this case, I'm going to put credit cards in loan leases accounts. I'm going to say they open fraudulent credit card accounts. Whichever one this is applicable to for you is what you're going to highlight. It says loan to get a car lease, no. To get a personal loan, in this case, yes. Okay, then we're going to go right here, and right here you are going to click next, and then you're going to put the information right here, and then you're going to go to the next account. Now, once you get done with that, this is what the identity theft report is going to look like. You're going to download it. As you can see, say Waypoint Resource Group 220664 is the account number, and this is what it's going to look like. This is what you're going to send over to the credit bureau website along with the affidavit of facts with the MyCreditApproved platform, and you're going to go to FTC, fill out this platform. If you are disputing multiple accounts, it is going to house multiple identity theft reports. It's not just going to be one. Once you do that, we're going to go to Experian, right? And then we're going to file a claim with Experian, right? So let me go to Experian dispute so I can show you exactly. Type in Experian dispute on Google, and then you're going to go here, and then you're going to go start to a new dispute. Once you log in or create your account, you're going to say file a dispute online, start a new dispute, and then all of your negative items for Experian is going to populate, right? And then you're going to scroll down down and we're gonna do waypoint resource group. We're gonna start a dispute and we're gonna select identity theft. No, not mine or no knowledge of. Now right here, you're going to type in Equifax data breach, and outside of that, you can put your own personal statement on whatever or however this situation pertain to you. You can say the date, you can put in the date, the time when you found out about it, you can put the account name, don't ever put the account number on this, and then you can just put please help with this and send. You're going to select next, and then you're going to submit the dispute. Now once you just submit the dispute, it's going to ask you to attach the supporting documents, right? So right here, they're going to ask you to attach all supporting documents, and what you're going to put here is a copy of the identity theft report, and you also going to put a copy of the notarized affidavit of dispute, right? You're going to put those two inside of the dispute section here, right here. And after you do that, guys, I'm not going to do it because this is a real account and I don't want, we have already done what was needed for this account. I'm only showing you for example purposes, but as you can see, guys, it's really cutting short. That affidavit of facts with the notary and with the FTC identitytheft.gov claim report, guys, bread and butter. When I say that this is working like hotcakes, guys, leave it in the comment section and let me know whether you want me to give you guys a full breakdown on the TransUnion Equifax. Type in TransUnion in the comment section. I will give you an exact same video like this with TransUnion. But guys, it's really the same type of procedure. They definitely have different prompts, but for the most part, guys, this is the same methodology for every individual bureau. You're going to create the dispute letter. They're going to give you a text box. Type in Equifax data breach along with your own personal statement. Then they're going to ask you to upload any supporting documents. You're going to upload the FTC identity theft report, and you're going to upload the affidavit of facts from the my creditapprove system. Guys, that's all you need to do. And everything that's negative, I almost can guarantee you that it would be removed in less than 14 days. Guys, let me know in the comment section if you have any questions or concerns. If you have any specific questions on any specific type of debt, leave it in the comment section. If you want to jump on the phone with me, go to mycreditapprove.com. We can jump on the phone, or you can talk to one of my staff. We can do a free consultation, or we can figure out exactly what's your issue pertaining to your credit report. But guys, this is sauce. I hope you wrote everything down because I know it was a lot. But guys, rest assured, if you follow these methods, I promise you, you will have the best success in credit repair doing it yourself. And you don't have to worry about any type of fraudulent or templates or anything like that, guys. The Equifax data breach affected millions of people, and they should be expecting millions of people to dispute this jargon, guys. And they really don't have a leg to stand on because it was their bureaus, credit bureaus, that breached our data. So guys, let me know in the comment section how you feel about this. If you want any new fire, also let me know in the comment section there. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. And until next time, take care of yourself, take care of your credit. Credit Coach Q out. Peace.